What's up, freaking nerds? In this video, I'm going to be looking at some Twitter alpha, and we're going to be back testing it, and I'll show you the results that I got. So this guy posted, I don't know who he is. He's an 8-year market veteran, 7 figures in trading, whatever. None of that matters. It's the internet. And he posted a proven strategy that you can pass a prop firm challenge and maintain consistent profitability with it. He outlined the rules here, which was very nice of him. And then we just have to trade on NQ only. It's very simple. Close all trades by 4 p.m. EST. We have 3 different time windows. There's some special ICT silver bullet window here from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And I'll leave a link to this post anyways. You can check it out and read all these rules yourself. But I'm just going to go ahead and program these up. It's very simple. And then we want to wait for a 5-minute fair value gap. It has to be on the 10 a.m. candle or form before the 11 a.m. and we're going to be on the 5-minute chart. All right. And it's going to be the first FVG that forms, no matter the size. So we don't need to filter out any smaller ones. And then to execute the trade, it's just going to be simple. So we set a limit order. If we're going short, the bottom of the FVG here with a stop at the, I believe, candle 1. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this is, this candle, candle 1 is this one. So we have 3 candles in it that form a fair value gap. And this would be the first one, the second one, and then this is the third one. Okay. And then on the first one, we put the stop at the high in this case. And then if it was going long, then we would put our limit order here and the stop would be here, and the take profit is just a 2R. Yeah, 2R TP. So the take profit is just based on the stop loss. It's that simple, really. And this guy said basically he back tested it and this is what he showed you. But I want to show you guys what I came up with, just so you would have an idea of what you can do with PineScript and backtesting. And you're never going to trust a strategy online that someone writes out, even if it is 100% legit. You have to backtest it yourself and you have to trade it yourself to gain confidence in it. I could post my strategy right now. It's a winning strategy and none of you will follow it because that's just how it works. You need to build confidence. So how do we do that? You either trade it over many months, many hours, many trades, gain experience, or you backtest it, forward test it, and do that many times until you're comfortable. But either way, you have to spend some time and get to know where you're trading before you can actually trade it. But here we go. I've programmed this all up. And I'm not going to go through all the code here because there's quite a bit. I modified a FVG indicator that I already had made. And you can see it on the chart here. It's drawing an FVG. We're on the 5-minute and Q1. This is a futures contract. And right here we get an FVG. And the red line indicates where we put our stop loss. And this blue triangle is where we entered. And you can see long. The blue matches the blue here. We went long 1. Then we got stopped out immediately on the same candle. Our TP was set up there. And that trade didn't work out. But just to verify everything's working correctly, here we got a FVG, and again we're on, this is 10 a.m. right? So the green background color here indicates the window that we have for a trade opportunity. And here this one worked out for us. So we came down, we created this FVG, dropped the limit order in, and got tagged in right here. Our stop was set up here, and our TP was 2R of that, and we came down and we tagged that in. So good trade. Very nice and smooth. Same thing with this one here. FVG came in, got tagged in, and boom, hit our 2R right there. Now, when we open up the strategy tester, we can actually see all of this over the entire history, so we don't need to go one by one. And if we go to the overview here, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. So we're on, what is that, $1 million? Let's bring that down to $100,000, something more realistic. Let's say we're doing 5% of equity. Let's see if we can make some trades here. No, we'll have to do contracts. So we'll take 1 contract trades, generate this report. Okay, from 2020 to 2024, we made 28%, which really isn't that good. Okay, we had 780 total closed trades, so there's plenty of samples in there showing us that it's got a nice upward curve here. The drawdown is not good enough for a prop firm. I believe you need 5% for a prop firm. Yeah, it's not really the best strategy I've ever seen. And guess what? We're not using any commission here. So even if I put in like even just 0.1%, like a fraction of a percent, it's going to completely destroy gains. I think I added 1. Here we go. Now that's probably the lowest commission you can get if you're lucky. I have heard rumors of 0 commission. You got to worry about slippage. We're at literally 1/100th of a percent for commission, which is unheard of. And that alone just destroys this strategy. When you go on the internet and you see things like this, you know, guys were calling him out saying, hey, your 9 trade sample size is not helping you. That's always a good indication. For he was posting here, I believe. Yeah, total trades 9. So you need to have over 100 trades, 100 trades minimum. Okay. And then, okay, what about 329 trades? Good. This looks great. If you don't know what you're doing, you might follow this strategy blindly. However, this person obviously didn't add in commission. And this is what we would call like a bait post to get activity and get people to follow this guy. So it's a smart approach if you want followers and attention and generate revenue from that. But I can tell you right now, this strategy does not work. So do not trade it. If you want the code for this strategy, I have it posted in my community. You get full access there to that code along with all my other indicators. It is a paid community. It's only $97 a month right now. Check that out. If you want that, you can join up and download the code. And then if you'd like, there's a lot of us in here and we're always talking about new strategies and coding up new things and testing things and learning all the time. I'm even learning. After 10 years doing this and seeing thousands of script, I still learn things from my students. If you want that code to backtest this or modify it in a way that you might think will be profitable, up into the community, and I'll send you the link for that. All right, catch you on the flip side. And if you guys have anything else you want me to backtest that you've seen people posting online, just let me know. I'll code it up and we'll run a test on it.